Today I will tell you about Sarah Thomas. Sarah A Huddleston Thomas was born about 1832 and died July 4th, 1856. She was a daughter of Sarah Dent and John Huddleston. John, her father, was the son of Henry Huddleston, who was the subject of my first cleaning video. Sarah Huddleston marries William Peter Thomas, August 9th, 1854, and had one known child, Charles Frederick Thomas, who is buried in Marion, Virginia. Sarah unfortunately died of consumption in the 24th year of her life. Sarah has the second oldest marked grave in the cemetery, being made by Gaddis brothers, and being an older Gaddis marker. She must have held an important place for Giles Thomas to have enclosed her grave in the Thomas Tube section in the 1940s. Thank you for watching my video about Bedford County, Virginia history. Stay tuned for more.